Typically, when you go into a bowling center and open bowl, you watch the big heavy guy grab the lightweight bowling ball. Well, we've got 10 different balls, 1 pound for each frame that we're gonna bowl. Watch, and you make a choice as we get on with our game.
Crew Empire, we've got 10 different weights. We're gonna throw a different weight every frame. Let's waste no time. He's going down, I'm gonna win. Let's get right into it.
So a lot of these bowling balls we can't get our full hand into, but you watch as the ball goes through the pins. Justin's gonna start with the 6-pounder, and it's gonna roll in. I'm gonna throw my first frame with the 6-pounder. He will immediately go to the 7-pounder so that we keep it rolling.
6-pounder, up second arrow, on the left, and in the gutter. Good start.
Does he always have to start with a gutter ball?
I don't do it all the time. Stay on the lane. Operator, throw it a little better. And 6 for the 6-pounder.
I won't even say it.
You don't have to.
Oh, you can't pass up a good thing. 6! Good try, though.
So now, you can go up and go to the 7-pounder.
Oh!
Wrap.
I'm thinking that maybe you should have tried that with the 6-pounder.
You're probably right, yeah.
So for me, I'm just gonna take the easy way out. 1 finger with the 6-pounder, because all it's gotta do is get down the lane and hopefully get a piece of the one in the front.
Nice.
Missed the one in the front. Didn't exactly make this easy on myself, but we got another shot.
If you hit the right side of the head pin, I am waiting for the ball to go in front of the 6 pins.
Nah.
It might do it. Oh, didn't deflect that much.
That's a spare. Any way you shake it, it's a spare.
That was a little better than the first frame that I had. Because, you know, I got gutter 6.
Hey, you're gonna upgrade. Your next frame, you get to go to an 8-pounder.
You're right. So I think as the game goes on, the pin counts are gonna get a little bit better because we're throwing balls that are heavier that are gonna go through the pins a little bit better. You know, every frame, adding a pound to each ball. I cannot believe your ball went through it that good to Greek church.
5.
Yeah.
But if you notice, as the ball hits the pins, it's definitely slow motion.
Yeah.
Take notice of that, everybody, as we get further along in this game. I'll take my 2 and move along.
All right, let's throw this one one-handed because I can get my thumb in this one now.
Okay. So through 2 frames, the 6 and 7-pound balls, no strikes, 2 spares.
Oh.
Let's stay tuned.
We gotta make this spare. Now you're putting pressure on me. Uh-oh. Saw a hook early there. Almost went right past him. Glad it didn't. We gotta beat him every chance we get. So I feel like I got this one right in the bag. Already, off the bat, right in the bag.
You got your thumb in there?
I don't use my thumb anymore, so it's pretty small.
You're right.
Yeah.
This ought to be interesting.
Good luck.
Oh, close. Close. As the ball hits the one in the front and completely deflects off of it.
You know, with these light bowling balls, the deflection is real. You know, threw it pretty good, hits a 1-2, and got no break at all. Upgrade to the 9-pounder here. Going up another pound.
Still not a strike.
That was close.
That was close.
Closer.
That was close.
Uh-oh. Maybe it would have helped.
Now, if you took close notice there, he did hit it, but unfortunately, it did not fall. Miss. Got 9. I feel like I got an upgrade.
You know, I feel like I've watched you give lessons or do shows or clinics somewhere, and you do the same thing, 1 finger in the ball. And so how easy it is to make a 7-pin with 1 finger.
All you have to do is knock it over. Doesn't have to be fancy, it just needs to be effective.
It's like he's done that 100 times before.
maybe you should jump on board. So we are now up to 10 pounds. We've got 9 shots between us and still not a strike.
No. I think I'm gonna put my left hand on it after this one. But for now, thumb's going in it one-handed. Close to no cigar.
The door has opened. Oh my.
Oh, that was close.
Ooh. The thumb didn't exactly come out of that one.
No.
And you know, this is not exactly gonna be the easiest one.
No, I was just about to say that too.
But I'm gonna hook it. No thumb this time.
Good luck.
Oh!
Oh man, that sucks.
What's the score here?
Oh, got the lead. Look at that.
5 frames in, still no strikes, but heavier balls are about to start. Currently, Justin walloping 59, but he is 2 pins ahead of me, so we'll see what happens the back half.
All right, I'm gonna go two-handed here. That sounded awful.
Sounded like a roller coaster ride, rolling thunder. Have you heard of that?
Wow. Tell you, this is the everyday leaf here.
You got another hand you want to put on it?
No. The everyday, 1589 here. Yeah. Leave this one all the time. Not. You know, he's saying these weights are gonna get good somewhere. I better hope it starts coming. I guess it started for him.
You know, it was not pretty by any means, but from the average bowler, right now, I'm glad they all fell down. Strike!
So I think I'm gonna try to stop doing something fancy here and just try to hit the one in the front, nice and easy. So, as they say, hit them thin and watch them spin. I hit them pretty thin, watch some of them spin, just not all.
So if you notice the ball, as we get heavier in weight, it appears that they actually go through the pins a little bit more effective. Doesn't matter what ball you throw down the lane, it's still the same game. You don't knock it over, the score machine gives you a miss. It was high, it went through the nose, but the ball went completely through the pins. I'm gonna try to make the spare.
Really?
I'm feeling pretty good right now.
Have you had frames that you've tried not to make the spare?
Nope. Oh no!
Well, just because you try doesn't mean you're gonna make it.
By the way, I am in the lead.
You got
3 frames to go.
7?
We're not exactly blistering them right now.
Come on, I gotta get a hit somewhere here. Oh, man. You leave something makeable, you miss the spare. You throw it good, you split. Can we just get a break?
That was really a great shot. Fantastic.
Go again.
Wrong sport.
Go again. I'm gonna talk to this 14-pounder while you're up. We'll do 13. You know, we got a lot of work to do next frame. We got a lot more work to do next frame, so we really better do it.
Did you feel the power on that one? That was a great shot.
I'm gonna go with the first frame strategy, go with the backup ball from the left.
You could try to go with anything you want to go, but we're down to only 2 frames, and you keep faltering more behind.
I know. I'm gonna just pull a hat trick out of the bag here, hopefully.
Wasn't pretty, but once again, the heavier ball was a little more effective.
Come on, give me one! Make him earn it! As I'm down 20.
Could have got a little break there, tripped the 6 out. What are you doing?
I'm talking to it. If you talk to it, it strikes me.
Really?
I talked to it last frame and it struck. And that was the first strike I had all game.
All right, good.
But, you know, I just had the same conversation with the 14-pound. A strike here would be really nice, and we better do it, okay? So let's do it. Teamwork, fist bump. Let's do it. All right, talk, gave him the pep talk. We're all good here. Oh God, dead dropped it.
And then that popular number shows up once again.
Don't even say it.
6!
Thanks.
Had to give it a long, extended 6. 10th frame 6. So with the lighter weight balls, we had 4 complete marks, spare or strike, in the first 5 frames.
Ah! And on a strike.
So far, in the back 5 frames, with the heavier balls, we have at least double that.
Bonus tip for you guys. If you're running the same issue that I ran into, where the holes don't fit, you can go to your local pro shop and get a ball that fits you. Get that ball, adjusted nice for your hand. Did you get them both?
Of course. It's called the spare.
So what's the lesson here today?
The heavier ball is more effective, but you throw a weight that really works well for you. You don't have to throw it down the lane, you gotta roll it down the lane.
That's gonna wrap this one up. He beat me fair and square. He's gonna bowl like 140 something if he gets them on. It sounds like he got them off. He's gonna bowl 140 something, I bowl 120 something. That's gonna wrap this one up. Hit that subscribe button, like the video. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Winner.